Today we are going to be talking about trademarking your logo design. Hello, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Kinsey. I am the brand and web designer behind Kinsey Green Design. And if you're not new, welcome back. As always, we are going to jump straight into this, and I would like to say that there are a few different types of trademarks, and there is one which is the common law, basically a free trademark, which is given to you simply by opening a business, and it only gives you a trademark in your geographic area, which means you have little to no protection. The second one is a state level trademark, and the third is a federal level trademark, and that's what we're going to be going over today. So step one in the process of trademarking your logo is to ensure you actually have an original logo design concept. Meaning if you've used something like Canva or some pre-made logo design templates, or even maybe some type of simple logo maker website where you were using a bunch of pre-made graphics and clip art elements, you probably do not have an original logo design concept. That means your logo has elements, graphics, or something else that other businesses have access to. And when you go to trademark a logo, you're essentially saying that your business and your brand is the only one who is using this logo and is the only one that is allowed to have access to it. So ensure you actually have an original logo design concept. Some ways to do that are by hiring an independent, professional, bespoke one-on-one designer like myself, or by even doing a simple Google search for similar images and reading the terms and conditions or contract from the person, agency, or website that you actually got your logo from. All right, if you do have a logo concept, it's time for step two, which is to search the USPTO database for similar or pre-existing trademarks like yours. If during this process you do find there is already a pre-existing trademark for something similar like yours, do not worry, you can still potentially get your logo design trademarked. However, during this process, your entire brand, from your commercial impressions to your messaging and everything in between, will be evaluated to ensure that you are not infringing on the already existing similar trademark that somebody else has. Step number three is to file a trademark application. Now, you definitely do not have to hire an attorney, but I highly recommend doing so. I'm one of those people that's like, do what you do best and outsource the rest. I don't like dealing with legal stuff, and I think that it gets really confusing. And this is actually a 6-month process, and you want it to go as smooth as it possibly can. So that's why I'm saying I highly recommend hiring an attorney. And I have also left a link in the description to an attorney that I know. She's great at what she does. Her name is Kelly, and she can definitely assist you with trademarking your logo design and make this process as easy as possible. I will say this can be somewhat of a costly process. However, in the long run, it can save you a lot of money, especially if there ever was a situation in which another business was actually trying to steal your customers, trying to use your logo design. It could result in a loss of revenue for your business and a long, grueling lawsuit, which could all be avoided if you have a trademark in place. During this 6-month period of the application process, USPTO basically reviews your proof that you are in fact using this logo and that you are a legitimate business and you have a reason to file a trademark. Step number 4 is to wait for approval. Now, sometimes you can receive a letter of denial or not get approved. And again, this is where having an attorney on your side really comes in handy because they know exactly how to navigate these situations. It can help you get through this process. And that is pretty much it. Obviously, there's a lot more involved within these steps, but this is just a general basic overview. And again, I have left you guys a link to Kelly who can assist you with this process. And she also has a lot of information on her site that goes into a little bit more detail than this video. If you felt like this was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe if you haven't already. And if you want to stick around for a little bit, I'm about to make a iced matcha latte, and I've never tried matcha before. I thought it would be fun to kind of record this little experience because a lot of people say that matcha tastes like grass, and yeah, I'm interested to see what it actually tastes like. Okay, I'm actually really excited to try it. I feel like I'm gonna love it and then get like addicted to it. I go through these phases of being really addicted to something for like a few weeks and then it like passes, so I think I was expecting it to be more like a juice. It's not at all. Kind of tastes like milk with like a faint hint of grass. I feel like maybe if I add something else to it, I'm not sure what, but like if I add something else, it could taste good. Like maybe like a tang or like lemon juice. Lemon juice. Okay, so maybe not lemon juice. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make it taste good. This was not what I was expecting. For some reason, it's just like so green. I was expecting it to taste like fresh pressed juice. That was my mistake. I will not be buying this again. All right, guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one, and I hope that you have a great rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever it is.